Hey guys, welcome back for a new video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make money almost every day in the market. I said almost every day, not every day. So let's go. I'm going to show you that strategy that I use myself and I see some good result with that. So I wanted to share that for free with everyone here. And first of all, that you have to do is to do a top-down analysis. So the first point is to identify the trend. So I am on the weekly time frame here. As you can see, we have a kind of like an uptrend from here to here. So what I'm looking for is that on the weekly time frame, I'm looking for like potential support and resistance zone. So I don't look too far here. I'll look like around this level here because don't forget that we are on the weekly time frame. So each candle here was 1 week. So first of all, I will draw a support zone around here as the first one, and the second would be around this level. Okay, so I have my support and resistance on the weekly time frame. After that, I go down to the daily time frame, and on the daily time frame, as you can see here, now I look for also potential zone of supply and demand. So I see this zone right here, here to here, and I see also a zone right here. Okay, and now I go on the 4 time frame. Okay, so as you can see, we are on the 4 time frame now. So here each candlestick of 4 hours. Okay, so let me label it for you. We have a supply zone here at the top. We have a supply zone here at the top, and you have a demand zone at the bottom, right here. So let me put that here. Okay, so we have supply and demand. As you can see, it's easy to spot this zone of supply and demand. And don't forget that this orange horizontal line here is my weekly resistance. I have one here too, just above the rectangle yellow. Is the support weekly. So right now that I am on the 4 time frame, what I'm doing is what I'm looking for potential also level of support and resistance. So I see one here. Start. Okay. So I see this level right here, a good level I think, and I see also another level around this area right here. Okay, so this is for the 4 hour, so I change the color. I put it in blue for the 4 hour. Okay, so we have a trend, we have a supply and demand zone from the daily time frame. We have a support and resistance from the weekly time frame. And right now on the 4 hour time frame, we have also zone right here. So as you can see, the price is kind of ranging in this 4 hour time frame zone right here. So it's a big range. So that's how I take my trade. I look for supply demand zone, and in this big area of supply demand zone, I look for another area of supply demand zone also. And let me show you what kind of trade I will take. So right here we are also a level, and we're gonna go on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so we are on the 1 hour time frame right here. Okay, 1 hour time frame. Okay, so let me show you what trade I will take here. Okay, you see this level right here. So we have a resistance here. At this level right here. Okay, so I'm gonna put it in green because this is my color for the 1 hour time frame. So you see that level of resistance right here. So let me show you something really quick. As you can see, price was right here. You see, it came like that, hit that, it touched this area, came back again, touched this area. We have a double top, but don't forget that we are on the uptrend, so we look only for buys. So price come here, okay, and right here, what do you notice? Let me show you something. Okay, bigger. So we notice that to the left we have this zone right here. So what price did? Impulse move, small pullback, impulse move. So that's what I'm looking for. Impulse move, pullback, impulse move, or maybe breakout and retest. So I have this zone right here, and I like this zone right here in blue, and I saw that price hit this area many times, like 1, 2, 3 here, and now price come back to retest this area right here, and this area right here, that's where I'm gonna take my trade. Why? Because this is also a demand zone. It's just like a small demand zone in the big one. This is also a demand zone right here. So for those who don't know what like a demand zone is or supply zone is, like let's say that price is moving. Let me show you here, I think it's better. So let's say that price is moving like from the bottom to the top, so we are on the bullish trend like that, you see, and around this area price did that, that, and that, you see. But don't forget that we have a support zone right here, okay, and we have a resistance right here. Price did that, we have a fake out, kind of like that. Price come here to retest this level, and at this level right here, that's where I'm gonna take my buy. I take a buy right here. I put my stop loss just below here. Take a buy right here. Take profit right here. See, and you will see that price will go like that directly with like an impulse move. So it's just like impulse, pullback, impulse move, easy. And it's also called breakout because we had like a resistance level right here. We have a breakout, retest, and continuation of the movement. It's same thing. So it's easy. So that's what I'm looking for. So this is gonna be a demand zone right here, and this is gonna be a supply zone right here. And sometimes, since we have like a double top right here, you can see something like that too. Come like that and other way. So it's gonna be like a big range. But since like it's not on the smaller time frame, this big range, like you can take a lot of pips, like 20 to 50 pips to maybe 100 pips. It's not like you're trading on the 5 minute or 50 minute time frame. It's like on the 1 hour or maybe 30 minute time frame. So that's what I like about that strategy, because it's like kind of accurate, and you can get a lot of opportunity almost every day. And I think it's a good strategy. Not every strategy is gonna give you opportunity almost every day, and it's something very important that people should like, I think, prioritize when they trade, because you can trade like for a week, and if you see a setup only once a week or maybe like 3 times a week, it means that your strategy like doesn't have like a good, like how to say that, your strategy needs to be almost not every day but most of the time on the market, because I can say that your strategy can appear almost every day in the market because there are different sessions and stuff like that. And I like to trade a strategy that I can see more often. So I know that okay, if I don't make money today, I can make money tomorrow or after tomorrow. I don't want to wait like a very rare time in the week or in the month to make money. I want to make money consistently, like many times a week. So like maybe 4 days is okay. So yeah, that's what I'm looking for. So that right now we are on the 1 hour right here. Let me put, let me highlight it. Okay, let me change the color. Put red here, right? Now let's go on the 30-minute time frame. I'm going to show you something really quick, guys. Okay. So right here we are on the 30-minute time frame. And what do you see? Me, I see clearly a buy right here. Because of what? Because of a confirmation. So here, what confirmation do I see? I see a bullish engulfing right here. Don't forget that we are on a bullish trend, so we mostly look for buys, opportunities only. And I see that bullish engulfing right here. You see, and don't forget that also, like I mentioned before, we have a impulse, pull back here, impulse. So this area right here is like a good area. It's like a sensitive area. So it's more likely that if price come retest this area, we can have also an impulse move like this one. So what I'm looking for is what price come here again, same level as it did. We have a bullish engulfing right here, like I said, and what we're looking for is like take a buy after just that bullish engulfing. Take a buy right here. Show you. Okay. Let's take a buy after that bullish engulfing. The stop loss under here. So you have a stop loss of 21 pips, and take profit will be right here. So look at the risk ratio, guys. Look at the risk ratio. Look at it. Look at the risk ratio. 1 to 8 risk ratio. Like easily. 1 to 8 risk ratio. 1 to 8 risk ratio, guys. 1 to 8. And it's very, 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 very accurate, like a strategy. And that's why I like the strategy. It's very, very accurate. So what I will do here also, because I like to have many take profit in one trade, because I noticed that when I take my trades, like there's a high probability that it reaches a certain level, and maybe sometimes it can come retest, or maybe do like a small pullback and hit your break even. So me personally, my first take profit will be, let me use this line here, be at this area right here. Let's take profit here. Let me put it in yellow. There is no dot visible. Let me put it in black. Let's take profit right here, and second take profit right here, and the third one at the top here. So that's how I look for my trade. That's how I look on my setup, and it's a easy strategy. First of all, what you have to do, go on the weekly time frame, and you have to draw your support and resistance line. And then second, you go on the daily time frame, you look for supply and demand zone, and after you go on the forward time frame, you look also for supply and demand zone, and now you go on the 1 hour time frame, you look for like uh support resistance. And now when we have that, you draw everything, go back now on the 30 minutes like I did to look for your confirmation, and on 30 minutes here you can see my confirmation is that candlestick right here. It's bullish engulfing. Why? Because like I said, here we are like an impulse move, pull back, impulse move. And when you have like an impulse move, pull back and impulse move, when the pullback happens, it's like a sensitive zone. And people need to know that, because as you can see from here to here. And yeah, so that's it guys, that's everything I wanted to show you about this incredible strategy that I use, and it's very accurate. So yeah, okay guys, thank you, and make sure that if you like my video, if you have a question, post the question down below, and if like anything, just post a question and subscribe to my channel guys. Peace.